Hi everyone, what's up? My name is Patricia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you to afford designer items. If you're a fashion fanatic person and you have the urge to buy designer items, then this video is for you. I know they're expensive, but if you follow these tips and tricks, then you will be able to do that. So let's jump into the video. Save money, honey. Yeah, you can save so much money just by packing your lunch. Sounds boring, but you can save a lot of money, trust me. How much money you're spending a day to buy food from a restaurant? Maybe $25 a day? So, technically you are spending $175 a week, but you can cut it down to $100 if you just do your grocery and pack your own lunch. So, you save $75 a week and $300 a month and $3,600 a year. That's a lot of money. So what you can do is you can buy your designer item from the portion of your savings and keep the rest for emergencies, because savings is important. Shop from an app that has price comparison option. So many apps out there you can download on your phone and you can search what you want. That helps you to find exactly what you want from a different store by compiling price, size from hundreds of stores just in one app, all in one app. Like Mata Sense by Desera, Sense, Net-a-Porter, so many. I'll give their link in the description box below. Check them out. You can buy designer items for less from luxury consignment stores. You can find awesome, beautiful items in fair, new, or in excellent condition from those stores. Among all luxury consignment stores, I prefer Fashion File and The Real because I think that they're legit. I'll give their link in the description box below for you, so check their website. Some luxury brands have seasonal sale, like winter sale, spring sale, so keep an eye on their website when they have sale so that you can buy your desired item. And I know that Versace and Gucci, they have sale twice a year, so keep an eye. Designer outlet offers 30 to 70% off all year round. So search for your closest outlet and start hunting. You can buy Burberry, Balenciaga, Gucci, Givenchy, Celine, Chloe, Prada, so many brands. So look for your closest outlet. There is sale all year round. Yeah, sales are very attractive, but you have to control your urge. There's no point of buying unnecessary items. If you're saving money but not spending smart, then it's not good. It doesn't make sense. So when you see items on sale, do not jump into that. Wait and think if you really need that item. Do not buy luxury items from your FNF, Facebook groups, or any IG group, because you never know if those items are counterfeit. So you don't want to spoil your relationship with your friends, or you don't want to waste your money. So be careful with that. So that's all for today. I will always recommend you to buy designer items on cash, not on credit. It's not good to be in debt to buy designer items. Save money, spend smart, and thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on the next. Bye! Oh, by the way, if you like my video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next. Bye!